What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in tonight's video we're really going to get loads of niggly bits and pieces done with the Civic. So I'm going to stop talking and we're going to get to it. Enjoy. But also, before we start, I'd like to thank everyone who still watches the channel, still watches the videos. Really means a lot to me, and I hope you're really enjoying the build as much as I really am. And yeah, here's to the next one anyway. When the Civic is finished, we're going to do the Seicento next, and then hopefully get another car and do that. So here's looking forward to another good year with Urban and more builds. So yeah, enjoy the video guys. Guys, we are another night. We are down here tonight. I got the bottle of gas for the welder filled. As you seen last night, Aaron was just tacking the exhaust. Apparently, I don't know how welding works, but Aaron said that the gas cools the weld down faster, so it stops it spitting and it stops it burning through the metal. So we got a massive bottle of gas, so I'm just gonna grab it from the car right now. There guys, there's the big ass massive bottle of gas. So I'm just gonna move it over to where the welder is and get rid of all this crap out of the way, so when the exhaust is welded I can get under and hook it up. So yeah, it's just a bit messy in this area here, so I'm just gonna move the welder up onto the bench and then put the gas bottle there beside it so it's out of the way. We can put the exhaust in the vise when it's getting welded. So I'm just gonna clear this area and all over here. So more camera magic, I'm just gonna click my fingers here and I'm gonna click my fingers here. Now, sick and tired of plugging this into the car. I went and got one of these from Halfords and I'm just gonna check and make sure it works. Epic fail. Doesn't work with pump. Right guys, we have an exhaust. It's loud, it sounds really good, I'm really happy with it. Really need to figure out the issue with the hunting. I left it running and it's still hunting. I am going to take the throttle body off, give it a clean like Aaron said so. Also my fan is constantly on, so I'm going to have to diagnose that as well. It's not good having it on. Plus it's also blowing that way. I'm nearly sure it should be blowing out. I don't actually know. We'll figure that out, we'll diagnose it. Other than that, everything else is tight, the exhaust is on. I couldn't get the bolt out of that fork, but I love me. I need to get a drill, a proper bench drill. What Aaron said, it was something we need to get it drilled out and then get it tapped again. I don't mind putting a nut and bolt in it, but that needs to be done. That's why it's still on the axle stands. So yeah, I'm going to end the video here. Yet again, another late night. It's 11 o'clock. I'm heading home. So hopefully in the next video, this car will be completely finished. I won't drag it out anymore. It needs to be done. It needs to be got out. It needs to burn some rubber off them tyres. Hopefully I'll diagnose the hunting problem. I'll do the inlet and the throttle body, give it a clean, check all the wiring. There's no codes coming up on the dash, so that's a good thing. So it might just be the IACV or something was saying, or the idle air control valve, something like that. Yeah, other than that, it sounds really good. It's raspy, it's throaty, it's really loud. I just need to go over everything, tighten everything up, sort out that bolt on the fork, sort out the bolt on the anti-roll bar. The exhaust is touching the rear anti-roll bar, so I need to adjust the rear anti-roll bar down a bit. Other than that, it's all hunky-dory, guys. Hopefully in the next week or two, this car will be finished and I will be bringing it on a spin. So once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here with me. Thanks for being a subscriber and a supporter of the channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Keep up to date with the builds. Hopefully I can get the Mini raffled off and we can get another stupid build. I really want to get an E36 coupe. They're really hard to come across and I'm not paying 5-6 grand for a 318 Beamer, so I think I'll just wait it out. But maybe we'll get something else in the meantime. We still have the Fiat to do and another few bits and pieces on the Mini, get that front lip sorted. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and peace out, and see you in the next episode. Peace out, and don't forget, be dedicated.